Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Payal's Recipe. It's been about 4 months since I first started this channel and I posted my first video about 4 months back, and so far it's been 34 videos already. So I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about myself and my channel. So I was raised in Bangalore, India, and I moved to America many years ago, and I work as a full-time IT professional, but I always wanted to do something different and something related to cooking. Therefore, an idea struck in my mind to launch my own YouTube channel, Payal's Recipe, and share many interesting Indian and international recipes with you, and also share my style of cooking. So I'll be posting a lot of recipes twice a week, that's Mondays and Thursdays, Pacific Standard Time in the evening, and every single week. Be sure to subscribe for new content by clicking on the red button, and also don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notified of the videos when I post them, and feel free to say hello or comment in the section below if you have any choice of recipes that you would like to see, or share anything that you want to share with me. Thanks for watching my videos and appreciate your support, and I look forward to hearing from you. See you. Bye bye.